Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk is a motivational and practical guide for individuals looking to build a personal brand, achieve entrepreneurial success, and harness the power of social media. As a follow-up to his earlier book, Crush It, Vaynerchuk dives deeper into how ordinary people have used his principles to create extraordinary lives. He combines his advice with real-life success stories to inspire readers to take action. Key themes and concepts. Personal branding is essential. Vaynerchuk emphasizes the importance of cultivating a strong personal brand in today's digital age. He argues that everyone has a unique story to tell, and that authenticity is key to standing out. By sharing your passions and expertise consistently, you can build trust and connect with your audience. The power of social media. Social media platforms are tools for amplifying your voice and reaching a global audience. Vaynerchuk provides strategies for using platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and newer platforms to grow your brand. He advises tailoring content to each platform while staying true to your overarching message. The entrepreneurial mindset success requires self-awareness, patience, and a relentless work ethic. Vaynerchuk highlights the importance of understanding your strengths and passions, being willing to put in the work, and embracing long-term thinking. He stresses that entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, but for those willing to commit, the rewards can be life-changing. Authenticity and value. Building a loyal audience depends on authenticity and delivering value. Vaynerchuk advises creating content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. People will engage with you if they feel a genuine connection and see you as a resource. Monetizing your passion. One of the book's core messages is that anyone can turn their passion into profit by leveraging modern tools. Whether it's through selling products, services, or creating content, Vaynerchuk explains how to transform hobbies into sustainable careers by consistently delivering value and engaging with followers. Real-life success stories. Vaynerchuk features stories of individuals who have followed his principles and achieved success in various industries. From fitness trainers and artists to e-commerce entrepreneurs, these examples illustrate how people from diverse backgrounds have crushed it by using social media and personal branding. Overcoming excuses. Vaynerchuk challenges readers to confront their fears and excuses. Whether it's a lack of time, resources, or confidence, he argues that most barriers are self-imposed. The key is to take small steps, start creating, and learn along the way. Actionable takeaways. Start today. There's no perfect time to begin. Take small, consistent actions to build your personal brand. Be authentic. Stay true to your values and share your story honestly. Focus on providing value. Prioritize your audience's needs over self-promotion. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback to build trust and loyalty. Use the right platforms. Understand where your audience spends time and tailor content for those platforms. In summary, Crushing It is a motivational and practical guide for leveraging personal BR